So we always talk about making more horsepower and going faster. But what about when you're done making a pull, or when you take the guy in the next lane at the track to Gapplebee's? You're gonna have to slow down eventually and come to a stop, right? So today we're gonna be looking at Hawk Performance brake pads. So today, I've assembled a few of our personal favorites and best sellers. First up, the Hawk HPS pad. So this is going to be a step above the stock pad. It's going to definitely improve your braking feel, but it's also going to be soft on the pads and rotors, extending the life of them. Next up is going to be the Hawk HP Plus pad. This is going to be your entry-level race pad. It's going to be fade resistant, and this is great for beginning autocross or mild racing events. My personal favorite is the Hawk Performance ceramic pad. I run this on all my cars. This is going to give you a significant improvement on the bite, the initial bite of braking. They're significantly quiet, incredibly ultra low dust, and they have a stable friction output, which means that when you brake, it's going to be even all around. So Hawk brake pads have been around for quite some time, and they hold some of the highest standards when it comes to performance racing pads. And wouldn't you know it, we carry the entire lineup at lethalperformance.com. So if you have any questions or you don't know which brake pad would be best for your application, you can always give us a shout, 561-753-8105, or send us an email at support@lethalperformance.com. I'm Pobbs, and this has been a 2-Minute Tuesday on Hawk brake pads. Thanks for stopping by. Get it? Stopping by? I wonder if I'm ever going to be done with these corny jokes. Probably not, because we're still running E85 everywhere. Get it? I'm done.